What is up, everyone? How is everyone doing? Hope everything is well. Right now, we have this SMT both on NAS and ES, and I think ES is going to be the more dominant pair because we are inside of this 15-minute fair value gap, while NQ actually hasn't tapped into that fair value gap. So if anything, I'll be looking for longs on ES today. Even though I'm not really a fan of ES, I mean, what can you do? I want to trade. But at the same time, I don't know, because, I mean, look at this fucking monstrosity of a candle. I mean, this is insane. Like, big pump up at New York Open, and then boom. So I don't know. Do I really want to risk and get into a trade like this? Probably. I wouldn't mind. Especially because we have this manipulation leg, inversion for value gap if that gets put in place, which I really hope it does. Right here would be my break even. Yeah. I wouldn't even mind taking this trade. You have that SMT on NAS and ES. Having that SMT, we're also inside of that 15-minute fair value gap. Come down to the 1. We're also tapping into this 1-minute fair value gap. Yeah, I think we're just going to continue pushing down. Yeah. Looks like we're going to have a very weird day on the market today. When we have, whoa, what am I doing? Yeah, we're going to have a weird day on the market because NQ is literally pushing up while ES is pushing down. So usually when that happens, it's a quite of a weird day on the market. Alright, so I think I'm going to get into this trade because on NQ, we have this SMT with this 15-minute fair value gap. I think I'm going to get into this trade because we have this, on NQ, we have this 15-minute fair value gap with the SMT. Coming down to the 1 minute, there's not really much. But then same thing on ES, we have the 15-minute SMT with the 15-minute fair value gap. Then coming down to the 5-minute, we just created this inversion fair value gap. But again, we don't have a sweep of a low. So that's really one reason why I don't want to enter this trade. Honestly, nah. I don't think I'm going to enter this trade. It's not smart. It's not my rule. Yeah, no. I have to see a sweep of this low and then after head higher and then I'll enter. Anything before that, I'm not even interested. Yeah, so we have this 15-minute SMT on NQ with this 15-minute fair value gap. So honestly, this looks like a very nice trade. Also on ES, it's not the most beautiful SMT since we're crossing right through that candle, but I'll still count it. On top of it, we have this 15-minute fair value gap that we also respected previously. So now coming to the 1 minute, we had this manipulation leg. Now this line over here would be my break even. The second we cross this inversion fair value gap, I'll be looking for entries. I'll probably enter with 5 contracts. Oh my god, man. I just want to see a candle close above this inversion so I can take this entry. Please. Please. Okay, there we go. 45 seconds left. And we can take this entry. Bro, ain't no way, man. Just close above the candle. Close above the inversion. Please. Bro, this is just gonna leave without me. I know for a fact. This is just gonna leave without me. Okay. Looks like we're gonna be entering this trade over here. Are we gonna close above? We do. Not really, but whatever. Not really the best entry. We barely closed above this inversion. Let's see. We're just gonna play it out. Let's see. I'm sure the stock is gonna go up. I don't see why it wouldn't. Let's leave it at that. Okay, we're definitely going to break even right after that fat wick right past that break even line. So this is a risk-free trade right now. Let's see how it's gonna play out. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out right here. Bro, you like honestly, bro, how like are you serious right now? Unbelievable. Okay, yeah. Bro, I don't know what is happening on the markets today. This is probably one of the worst PAs I've ever seen. Yeah, I'm just getting off. Through this. Like, what are we even doing right now? What is this? Like, yeah, I'm out.